These chili garlic noodles with crispy tofu are spicy, garlicky, savory, and so satisfying. They are ready in about 20 minutes and the crispy tofu adds great texture and some plant-based protein. Let's get started. Start by slicing some spring onion greens. These add a lovely freshness and mild onion flavor that works so well with the spicy chili garlic sauce. I also like saving a little extra for topping the noodles at the end. Then smash the garlic cloves and finally chop them. Smashing the garlic first makes it easier to chop and helps release more of that wonderful garlicky flavor. Next, crumble some firm tofu into small uneven pieces. You can also use fork here. Those irregular edges get beautifully crispy as the tofu cooks. Now cook your noodles according to the package instructions. I'm using egg noodles here, but pretty much any noodles will work. And to make this completely vegan, simply use your favorite vegan noodles. Once cooked, drain the noodles and keep them aside. For the crispy tofu, add the crumbled tofu to a pan and sprinkle over some cornstarch. This helps absorb the excess moisture and gives the tofu a much crispier texture. Let it cook until the moisture evaporates and those little edges start turning crispy. Then add the soy sauce and toss well. Cook for a little longer until the tofu is savory, nicely coated, and crisp around the edges. Now for the chili garlic sauce. Add spring onion greens, chopped garlic, soy sauce, Chinese black vinegar, gochugaru, a little sugar, and sesame seeds to a heat-proof bowl. Heat the sesame oil until it's nice and hot. Then carefully pour it over the chili garlic mixture. That sizzle is exactly what you want. The hot oil blooms the garlic, gochugaru, and sesame seeds, bringing out together their wonderful aroma and flavors. Give everything a good mix, add the cooked noodles, and toss until every strand is coated in that glossy, spicy chili garlic sauce. Give everything a good mix, add the cooked noodles, and toss until every strand is coated in that glossy, spicy chili garlic sauce. Transfer the noodles to a serving bowl and finish with spring onion greens, toasted sesame seeds, and a little chili oil if you like some extra heat. And top with those crispy tofu crumbles for that extra texture. I love adding these tofu crumbles because along with the crispy texture, they also bring some plant-based protein to the noodles and make it more filling. These chili garlic noodles can also be made dairy-free. And with vegan noodles, they are completely vegan-friendly. Serve them right away while the tofu is still crispy. And if you enjoyed this simple and easy recipe, like, share, and subscribe to my Ginger Garlic Kitchen channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.